Weight Shift Control 1-2 Introduction to Weight Shift Control. Welcome, aviation enthusiasts, as we delve into the captivating realm of light sport aircraft and, more specifically, weight shift control aircraft. Picture the skies adorned with a gyroplane, airplane, powered parachute, and the unique weight shift control aircraft. To better grasp this evolution, let's journey back to September 1, 2004, when the FAA introduced rules creating the LSA category and the corresponding sport pilot certification. These regulations set the stage for aircraft exceeding ultralight vehicle limitations and necessitating a sport pilot certificate for operation. The focus of our discussion today centers on the distinctive WSC aircraft within the LSA realm. Weight shift control aircraft, as defined in 14 CFR Part 1, comprise single and two-place trikes that bridge the gap between ultralight vehicles and LSA. Unlike traditional control surfaces, WSC aircraft rely on the wing's flexible deformation for flight control. These aircraft, often referred to by acronyms like Weight Shift Control, WSC Land, or WSCC, cater to diverse operational needs, be it on wheels, skis, or floats. For those venturing into sports and private pilots flying with WSC LSA, adherence to FAA regulations is paramount. This includes proper registration, possession of an airworthiness certificate, a pilot's operating handbook, and weight and loading documentation. Dual flight controls are mandatory for two-seat aircraft used in training scenarios. Now, let's unravel the unique features that distinguish WSC aircraft in the aerospace landscape. The pilot's connection with the wing is direct, with no mechanical devices intervening. Imagine feeling the atmosphere as you soar through it, holding the wing in your hands. Turbulence is gentler compared to fixed-wing aircraft, offering a more stable experience for the carriage and passenger. Versatility defines WSC aircraft, allowing for the interchangeability of wings to cater to different flying requirements. Whether it's a large wing for short takeoffs and low-speed flights or a smaller, high-performance wing for long-distance, high-speed endeavors, the adaptability is unparalleled. The ability to fold the wing into a transportable tube further enhances the convenience of WSC aircraft storage and transportation. The absence of a tail reduces weight and drag, elevating performance metrics. Short field takeoffs and landings, impressive climb rates, substantial payload capacity, excellent glide ratios, and fuel efficiency characterize the WSC LSA. With a capacity to carry up to 600 pounds of people, fuel, and baggage, these aircraft redefine possibilities in the sky. As we explore the visual realm, notice the diversity in wing configurations, some with wires for bracing, others with struts, or a combination of both. WSC aircraft typically traverse on wheels, but models equipped for water and snow landings showcase the adaptability of this fascinating category. In conclusion, the weight shift control aircraft, nestled within the broader category of light sport aircraft, beckons adventurers to experience the skies with unparalleled freedom, flexibility, and a direct connection to the ever-changing atmosphere. So, my fellow aviation enthusiasts, fasten your seatbelts and let's soar through the fascinating world of WSC aircraft. Weight shift control light sport aircraft must adhere to specific requirements to ensure safe and standardized operation. These criteria include a maximum takeoff weight of 1,320 pounds for land operation or 1,430 pounds for water operation. Additionally, the maximum airspeed in level flight is limited to 120 knots calibrated airspeed, CAS, and the maximum stalling speed is set at 45 knots CAS. WSC LSAs are designed for a maximum seating capacity of 2 persons, including the pilot, and feature a single reciprocating engine with a fixed or ground adjustable propeller. The landing gear configuration varies based on whether the aircraft is intended for land or water operation. In terms of regulations, the Federal Aviation Administration oversees aviation safety through Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, 14 CFR. Part 61 outlines the requirements for earning a pilot certificate, emphasizing the ability to read, speak, write, and understand the English language. Pilot applicants and solo flying students must hold a valid driver's license or a current third-class medical certificate issued under 14 CFR Part 67. Flight safety practices are paramount in WSC LSA operations. The "see and avoid" concept highlights the importance of vigilance to prevent mid-air collisions, relying on proper visual scanning techniques and clearing procedures. Runway incursion avoidance involves effective communication, airport knowledge, and adherence to flight deck procedures. Ensuring a positive transfer of controls between the student and flight instructor is crucial, emphasizing clear communication and understanding of who has control of the aircraft. Establishing and adhering to these safety practices from the outset of flight training lays a foundation for airmanship and contributes to the overall safety of WSC LSA operations. Pilots and instructors play a vital role in maintaining these standards for the well-being of all individuals involved in the dynamic realm of aviation. A pilot in command must maintain a vigilant attitude and mindset to ensure the safety of the aircraft, passengers, and those on the ground. Aeronautical decision-making is a critical aspect of safe flight, emphasizing the importance of a pilot's awareness of personal limitations and well-being, both physically and psychologically. While technological advancements enhance equipment and materials, the ultimate safety of flight hinges on decisions made by human pilots from pre-flight routines to the conclusion of the journey. The well-being of the pilot serves as the foundation for effective decision-making throughout the flight. Factors such as physical fatigue, illness, attitude management, stress, risk management, personality tendencies, and situational awareness all contribute to a pilot's judgment. Understanding human factors and implementing corrective actions not only improves the safety of operating a weight shift control aircraft but also enhances the overall joy of flying. The Pilot's Handbook of Aeronautical Knowledge, FAAH 8083-25, provides valuable insights into the decision-making process, resource management, situational awareness, pilot error, stress management, risk management techniques, and antidotes for hazardous attitudes. While the scenarios presented in the handbook may pertain to more complex airplanes, the underlying thought process and results are universally applicable to all aircraft. Specific information relevant to WSC is elaborated upon in subsequent sections. Comparing the requirements for more complex airplanes outlined in the Pilot's Handbook of Aeronautical Knowledge with the characteristics of WSC aircraft reveals distinctive features. Light sport aircraft, including WSC, benefit from simpler designs, reducing the pilot's workload. Unlike complex designs with constant speed propellers, multiple engines, retractable landing gears, and faster airspeeds, WSC aircraft present unique challenges, such as an open flight deck limiting communication with passengers, a pusher propeller with potential damage risks from loose items, and increased physical demands in turbulent conditions. Ultimately, cultivating awareness of human factors and their impact on decision-making processes contributes to safer WSC operations and a more gratifying flying experience.